Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa loob ng Gems Gallery. Ang dilim.
The age-old origin of gemstones that have fascinated people of all nations and eras.
Para nasa tayong nasa malalim daw na underground, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Ganyan. Walang nakikita. Oh my God. Something guys. Parang may thunderstorm. Oh my God. Yung magalinog.
Oh, ay, pati uli yung
Puro. Guys, tupuntaan. Parang yung
parang sulat na ng vulkan.
yung earthquake sa Myanmar.
Repeat, ano yan?
Oh guys, nakita nyo.
Ano yung
Bumubukang lupa.
yung gumagalaw ang plates.
What's the next?
So, driver ka rin sa kayo.
Hindi. Ang ganda. Parang nasa loob kami ng cave. Guys.
Stones, oh.
Oh! Parang nasa ano tayo silin, di ba, sa underground river. Oh! Oh, sa underground river nga in Palawan. Oh, see? Oh, look like the underground river. Oh, cave nga ito eh, cave.
Molten rock or lava turns into stones over a period of time. Some of these bear precious metals. The pressure of the earth causes them to crystallize into a variety of precious stones, leaving various minerals.
Yes, ano? Hindi. Ano yan? Natural. Stalagmites and stalagmites.
Ano to? Natural?
Mineral stones is determined by their individual qualities.
Man-made lang to, Jin.
Beauty, color,
Pero parang totoo siya. Parang yung napunta namin sa
quality stones
Puerto. Oo.
are popular material for
Pero ang pagkakaiba, malawak yun.
Ang ganda, no?
Oo. Parang totoo.
Kaya,
Amazing talagang talent ng mga ng mga Thailanders.
mga rice.
Kala ko ano,
We are
Pilipinas.
going to show you how gemstones are discovered, or in other words, what we might call gem mining.
Sa mining. Sa mining industry na naman tayo. Ayan.
Gamit nila,
Yan yung mga gamit. Diba? Ganito kalalim yung pagmimina, no? Kaya minsan maraming natatabunan ng mga minero. Parang totoo. Kala ko ba tunay din yun? Tignan mo. Ay! Amazing! I love this.
A long, narrow purpose is made deep into the ground until the gem ore is split. Then, the digging continues horizontally.
Galing ah.
Dapat din iniba.
Oh, saan na naman ang punta natin? Sa cave, sa mining. What's the next station? Oh, ito. Mag-explore kami ng ginawang tunnel ng mga minero. Tunnel?
The development of more advanced technology, open pit mining was replaced by hydraulic mining.
Hydraulic mining na.
Safer method of gem mining.
Oh, ayan. Ganda. Uy! Hydraulic mining. Wow.
Kapag na, sa paano.
High-tech na siya.
Let me join hydraulic mining.
Ay, wow.
Water at the surface of the ground under which gem ore is found. Gravel, dirt, and gemstones are washed down through the rock. The
Ganda.
separates the gemstones from the rock. The recovered gemstones are handed over to experts to be sorted.
Kaya palumoy nga nasuga po. Kaya hydraulic.
Ikan sa nagpaninda. Ang ganda na naman nakuha nila. Different kinds of stones na siya.
Hydraulic kay water. And then what's the next?
Gemstones originate from many countries around the world. Not all of these countries, however,
Yan, oh, Cambodia.
many countries are known for their diamonds, rubies, sapphires, emeralds, and other colored stones.
Over the world.
Gemstones unearthed from various places of origin are handed over to experts who decide how to cut them, taking into consideration their type and original shape.
Ayan.
Sa Paracali, baga, ganyan. Actually,
Yun iba-ibang stones na.
kasi di baga, kung di man siya, yung mga Swarovski,
Not
di
only
nila
stones are washed, truncated, and assigned the best orientation
may ang mga gabo. Ang kailan ba, baga,
and the maximum depth of colors and brilliance.
Uyan sa mga panahon na yan.
Gems, their shapes are refined before being faceted and
Igangiin mo na yung difference.
Wow!
The round, brilliant cut, which can incorporate as many as 154
Gayon.
facets, is the most popular faceted cut for most stones.
Emerald round.
Rubies and sapphires have a hardness level of 9. Emeralds, topaz, and amethyst have a hardness level of 7. Other stones rank lower on the scale of hardness.
Kamaga yun. Oh. Sana tayo.
Thailand's artistic heritage has been passed down from
Kaya,
generation to
Gems
generation
Gallery.
over thousands of years. The most exquisite masterpieces the world has seen can be found in palaces, royal costumes, temples, and Buddha images dedicated to peace
Ay,
and religion.
wow. Oh. Diba? Wow, ganda. Ayan. Ay.
Other works of art reflect the religious faith. Our religious beliefs are inspired works of exquisite quality, works that define our proud cultural heritage.
Galing. Ako na.
Thailand's fine arts
Yung parang galis.
is divided into 10 categories, widely known in Thai as Thanasit Moon, which literally means
Yan yung pag ano niya, pagtunaw ng
excellence.
Tapos pagtunaw ulit ka, pwede maging din ano, clay. Clay.
Gayon?
Yun yung inanggilin ka. Out of that gold na nakuha ninyo.
Oo. Nabusog tayo.
Only tayo. Ito yung pahinga talaga natin.
Gutom na tayo pero nabusog dito.
Oo, nakalimutan. At tapos maganda.
Nakalimutan yung lunch buffet. And then, finally, we will go back to
What we have.
the original station.
Iba na maganda ang KBC. Pero pwede naman ano, pwede ka magpapagaling ano.
Yeah. Yan
O,
na.
Magawa sila ng mga ano.
Ano na baga metal, yung mga sa metal sheet. Ano bang ginagawa dyan?
Iya, nag-aabol yan.
Nagabol.
Leaders excel in their own area of expertise. As a result, each individual piece of art, no matter what its origin, is not only functional, but also uniquely and aesthetically distinctive.
Yan no, mga gold.
Galing ha.
Nagagibo ng sinda ng ano, ng porcelas, mga jewelries.
Mga jewelries na, yung mga ano dyan, gapo.
Tapos kuya baga na ano, bago.
Wow, parang tunay. O, diba?
So nag-whip ka ng mga ano nito. Si ano yan, sa ibang madiyan na.
Wow. Mga life-size statue.
In any historical era, a kingdom's power and greatness had always been determined by its possession of enormous treasure in the form of jewelry, gold, and superior architecture.
Wow! Amazing!
The king!
Wow! Wow! Amazing! I love this! Wow!
Ano, China yun ba yung Great Wall of China? Ayan si ano, si
People of later generations who have encountered these widely accepted world heritage objects are
King Tutankhamen.
Dito, si King Tutankhamen yun. Yung babae si Cleopatra. Tutankhamen. Na rin. Si ano, Dynasty Qin.
Ay, galing.
Ayan, nagpagawa ng Great Wall of China. Ito. Ayan o.
Yeah.
precious stones have long been seen with a precious stone will definitely show its meaning. Here, you will always find
Uy! Si Elizabeth yan.
Gems Gallery is the world's largest center for gems and jewelry.
Ay,
The
wow.
company has showrooms in 4 cities:
Wow.
Bangkok, Attila, Phuket, and Chiang Mai.
Ayan o.
With our warranty
Oh,
system,
wow.
our customers can be fully assured that all our products are the standard price and quality.
Oh, baba.
Gem Gallery is more
We're
than
amazed.
to provide you
Yeah.
superior.
We love it so much. Thanks so much. Bye.